Hi guys, it's JK Halls over here. I haven't got much storage left, so I'm going to try to make this a really quick tutorial. And today we're going to be making a martingale for your model horses. This can be put in any size proportion, so it could be for bros, stablemates, or schleich, of course. And so let's get started. Yeah, I'm going to try to make it quick. What you're going to need is a jump ring, and to make it in, like I said before, you need to make it into proportion. Let's try that again. And I'm not going to say a specific measurement, because you could have it. You could do a martingale for Shetlands or Shires or Briars or that rhymes. Or stablemates, and you're just going to measure it up to the horse. You're also going to need some leather and some hot glue, or instead of leather, you could just use felt or ribbon. And obviously scissors. So what you're going to do first is you're going to cut off a strip of your leather like I've done, and if you can see that, you're going to glue it like that, like around the horse. And then, just to make sure the strip of leather you've cut is the right size, you're going to put the jump ring when you want it on the horse's chest, hold it down, and just kind of like go like that, if you can see, and to see if it fits. Next thing you're going to do is more measuring. I don't know why I haven't done this to my mom, but so you're going to hold the horse there, and then I might need to do it out of frame, but I can show you once I'm done. Okay, and then you're going to do it like that. If you can see, I've looped it round the girth and I'm holding it up while I was holding it up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to glue down this so you can poke the girth through it. So it's got to be pretty thick. So like this, a big loop. Then to make sure your loop is the same right size, you're going to try to fit the girth through it while you're holding it down. So take the saddle off of the horse. Take that, or you could just glue it down while it's round, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. And you're going to try to loop it around like that, and then just once again fit it around the horse to make sure it fits. And I'm going to be right back once I've glued it down. Okay, so I've glued it down. It's a bit messy, but then you're going to try and attempt to take the martingale off of the girth, like that. And it's twisted. And this is what it should look like. So you have the martingale, like the first bit, it's the bit that goes underneath the horse, if you know what I mean, like that. Then you're going to put the saddle on the horse, and there's going to be a lot of measuring in this video, so it might get a bit boring watching. And what you're going to do is, I am doing this off camera, aren't I? Is going to try is put the come here, try to is thread the martingale onto the girth, and then do the girth up. And then try to fit it up around the horse. And this is what it should look like. So pretty good. And then once that's done, you're going to take it off, and we're almost done. Okay, so also we're going to do like a different type of martingale to normal, because most of the time it joins up to the saddle, but as you can see, schleich saddles don't have that, but don't worry, we're fine. Okay, well, Then what you're going to do is you're going to cut another strip of leather. Yeah, and once you've cut that strip of leather, it should look about this length. And the camera angle has gone really funny, so let me just sort that out. Okay, so once you've cut that strip of leather, then you're going to do even more measuring. So measure that through that. And honestly, you can put it on the horse if you like. And then, you know what, I'm going to put it on the horse. Be right back. Yeah, so I put it on Storm and I put it up like that. Then you're going to take that extra strip of leather and I'm going to try set up the camera angle for this. But then you're going to, this bit's hard, you're going to loop this bit round, then glue it down obviously. Then you're going to try to hold that down. I know I'm really bad at showing you the angles. Loop it round the horse, and honestly I think my length of this leather is okay. Okay, so once you, come on, that was such a fail, but I'm gonna go with the flow. So what I've done here is, you can see once you've measured out the leather to see if it's the right length, I actually have glued it the same way as I did before. So I've looped it round like that, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. So loop it round and then glue it down. Okay, so I've actually taken it off the horse for gluing it down, but that's your martingale. If you place it like that, it does look good. Like I say, it's pretty believable. And now I'm going to show you how to put it on, because that's the hardest bit. So I say put the martingale on before you put the bridle on, so I'm just going to take the bridle off for now. Because it's really hard to get it past. And martingale, I say the first thing, like it's the last thing you take off. Like the first thing you take off, and I'm going to say it's the first thing to put on when it comes to schleich. So how to do it is you're going to like try to get it over the ears and round the neck like that. And if I can do that. And that looks pretty good. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Pretty decent. I'm sorry. Then what you're going to do is kind of put the saddle on, kind of push the martingale up out the way for this bit, because the saddle pad actually kind of slopes on the horse's shoulders, like that. Then you're going to put this loop bit that we've made and push the girth through that. And then do it up. And I am pretty proud of that. That's your martingale. Obviously, I've forgotten about one thing, putting the bridle on. Of course I have, I always do that. Once I actually started filming when the horse's bridle was on. Wasn't on, sorry. And once I've done that, this is the finished horse, I could say. And I am actually really proud of that. It's only like my second time making this on camera, because I started filming it, then I kind of lost all the footage. So second time making it on camera, and I'm actually super proud of myself for doing it. I'm very happy. It looks pretty realistic, and I really love the bottom bit where it like loops around, and it's so good. And I know I've looked at some pictures of martingales, and sometimes there's a spare bit that comes up around there and links to the bridle. So I probably will update this when I've found a way to do that. So I hope I can update it if I can find a way to do that. Just looking at it now. Yeah, you can definitely do that. So I might make an updated video